In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PayPal to bank account. First, open PayPal and sign in securely. You can do this from a browser or the PayPal app. If you're on a computer, the account summary page is a good starting point because it shows your available balance and recent activity at a glance. Before moving on, make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that the padlock icon is visible in your browser so you know the connection is secure. Next, go to Wallet. This is where you'll see your PayPal balance, your linked bank accounts, and any cards connected to your profile. Take a quick moment here to confirm two things: that you have a sufficient available balance to withdraw, and that the bank account you want to use is listed and correct. If the bank isn't showing, the Wallet section is also where PayPal lets you add or manage funding sources, so you can follow the on-screen prompts there if needed. Now, click on Send Payments. Depending on your layout, this may appear within the Money or Wallet area and can sometimes be labeled similarly to Transfer. This option opens the money movement flow. If you're presented with choices, look for the path that moves funds out of PayPal and into your bank. It's common to see wording like Transfer to your bank or something similar within this flow. From here, choose an option and click Next. You'll typically select the destination account, such as your linked bank, and then pick the transfer speed. Instant transfers can arrive quickly, often within minutes, but usually come with a fee. Standard transfers are generally free or lower cost and can take 1 to a few business days, depending on your bank and region. Keep an eye on any fees or limits displayed on the screen, and check the currency. If your PayPal balance is in a different currency than your bank, PayPal may apply a conversion rate. It's a good idea to review the amount, the bank details, and any delivery estimate shown. If something doesn't look right, use the back option to adjust your selection before continuing. After you click Next, PayPal will guide you through the remaining on-screen steps. You should see a summary of the transfer and, once everything looks correct, proceed as prompted. You'll typically receive a notification or email when the transfer is initiated. Processing times and options can vary by country and account type, so timelines may differ. If the interface looks different from what you see here, make sure your app or browser is up to date, and follow the labels that most closely match these steps.